Today I'm going to be making guacamole. And we'll just mix in the onion a little bit. Mix it around. Get it spread through evenly. And now we'll take the cilantro. Always check when you buy cilantro whether or not it's washed. Because sometimes it may appear washed, but it's not, and one of the worst feelings in your mouth is get a mouthful of grit. So what I do, I just take a leaf and test it. It's been washed. So some people pick off the leaves and don't use the stems. I just chop it finely. I'm not too concerned with the flavor is all about the same. So I just chop some cilantro. And it doesn't have to be fine chopped. It can be real rough cut like this. Kind of like it. I'll discard the very bottoms of the stems because they are tougher. And let's add maybe a touch more.